Huawei is gearing up to launch a new foldable phone called the Nova Flip. The launch is set for August 5th in China, as announced in a teaser video on Huawei's Weibo channel. The first look reveals that the Nova Flip will be available in green, white, pink, and black color options, featuring a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The Nova Flip boasts a 2.1-inch OLED square cover display next to the camera module and unfolds into a 6.9-inch folding OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. It also features stereo speakers for an enhanced audio experience. Under the hood, the Nova Flip is powered by the Kirin 5G chipset, paired with up to 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 storage. It will run on Huawei's Harmony OS software. For photography, the Nova Flip includes a 50-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The device is equipped with a 4,000 milliamp-hour battery and supports 66-watt fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.